back. A lot of you had questions about how to read details, so I'm going to break it down for you and show you how this drawing turns into this. First, I attached this 2x4 blocking with 2.5-inch deck screws to fill in this weird gap we have going on here. Next, it was time to move on to this 1/2-inch ply board. I measured and cut the end cap shape and cut it out using a jigsaw, and then used the blocking and my nail gun to secure it into place. Now you may be thinking, I still don't know how this turns into this.
So this is like a semi-section. So this right here represents the stringer, which is this piece. And then we're gonna have our risers in front of it and treads sitting on top of it. This is the skirt board, stringer, skirt board, stringer, skirt board. And this down here is a piece of blocking, which I have here to secure the outer thin piece of 1/2-inch ply to the outside of the stair, essentially capping it. Now, by creating this detail, I can take my riser and it hides it. You can see from the side that this is the profile you're gonna see. You're gonna see the riser, you're gonna see the tread come out and around, and there's gonna be another tread that's right here, and it will nicely cap the end of that stair so you don't see this ugly stringer sticking out. The last thing I need to do before I can start getting these treads and risers in there is get rid of this little piece. I really don't know how I'm gonna do it. I've tried like every method I can think of to get it out. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. The best option I've come up with is to chisel it out. Really not looking forward to it.
It took a while, but eventually I found a strategy that worked pretty well by chipping from the top and then cutting from the side. And of course, I came across some rogue nails because reasons.
Well, it doesn't look pretty, but it'll do the trick.
Now that that's over with, I can finally move on to the risers and treads. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for part 10 and follow along for more home DIY.